Good evening, everybody. I, Aditi Sarkar, welcome all of you to Virtual CAD Center, Jadavpur University. Today, we have invited all of you for a distinct event. It gives me immense pleasure to divulge to all of you that in an attempt to blend with the current situation at the academic front, CAD Center is here today to make a special announcement. At the upper left corner of your screen, you may find a Q&A icon in which you can post your queries. We will try to address your queries at the end of the presentation. I would now request Dr. Basudev Bhatto, Course Coordinator of CAD Center, for the official announcement. Please, sir.
Thank you, Aditi. A very good evening to all of you. The CAD Center, Jadavpur University, functioning under the Faculty Council of Engineering and Technology, Jadavpur University, Kolkata, has been a forerunner in keeping up with the current and emerging trends of technological know-how in various disciplines. The sudden gulf of social distancing imposed upon global humanity by COVID-19 left mankind with no choice but to strategize and implement solutions to survive the new normal in every sphere of life. Being associated with the academic sector, CAD Center too could not be left behind in imparting knowledge and education for capacity building and enhancing employment opportunities for our future generations. Thus, the center has now initiated online platform for knowledge transfer to run along with its offline programs. It has designed new and challenging courses to be offered online. In this endeavor, I give you a brief. CAD Center has launched its new Facebook page and has inaugurated its first YouTube channel. Before I conclude, I extend my hearty appreciation for all of your presence today in this event. And now, I would request Ms. Dipanita Mukherjee, our Geoinformatics faculty, to give you a preview of the Facebook page and YouTube channel of CAD Center, Jadavpur University. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A very good evening to all of you and a warm welcome to Computer Aided Design Center, Jadavpur University. It would be a great pleasure on my part to take you all through our newly launched Facebook page and YouTube channel. CAD Center has freshly endorsed a unique set of online courses on multiple disciplines to train manpower and enhance professional skills. Next. You can reach us on Facebook through your profile just by entering /CADCenterJU official after facebook.com in the address bar. Next. On the screen, you can see the preview of our Facebook page. You can like our page and keep following us to get new updates and announcements. We are now on Messenger and WhatsApp, also connected to the Facebook page to help you through any of your queries. Also, I would like to request all the participants here to be a part of CAD Center's Facebook family to build up academic community and to invite and circulate the page amongst your network. All the details are given in our website and Facebook page. Next. So this is the view of our Facebook page where you can like and follow us to get new updates and announcements. Next. Now, we are also available on WhatsApp and Messenger so that you can clear all of your queries through this medium. Next. CAT Center is now active on YouTube, where you can get updates on new trends, latest technologies, video tutorials, and new courses. You can visit our YouTube channel through a link that will be given on screen. Next. So here in the screen, you can see there's a link through which you can actually get into our YouTube channel. This link will be made available on our Facebook page for you to like, subscribe, and comment your views. Next. So this is the preview of our YouTube channel. Down you can see the like button. You can like, you can subscribe, and definitely in the comment box you can comment your valuable suggestions. I request all the participants to kindly view our YouTube channel for more details regarding the offered courses and give us your valuable feedback and suggestions. Now, let me announce the newly introduced online courses. So we are offering courses under multiple disciplines. Here, under Geoinformatics, we have the courses like Essentials of QGIS for Teachers and Research Scholars, GNSS Surveying and Mapping with Android phones, Analysis and Simulation of Urban Growth from Remote Sensing Data, Remote Sensing Application for Change Detection and Simulation Modeling, SAR image processing with open source software, WebGIS development using OpenLayers, programming ArcGIS with Python, and with these we have geospatial technology along with postgraduate diploma in geoinformatics. Now, under multimedia and animation, the offered courses are 2D animation using Flash, compositing with Nuke, digital graphics, motion graphics design with Adobe After Effects, UI design, modern web design and front-end development, PHP with MySQL, 3D visualization with 3ds Max, and with this we have Diploma in Multimedia and Animation. Under Python, the offered courses are Introduction to Data Science with Python, Advanced Data Science with Python, Blockchain Cryptographic Application with Python, Python for Machine Learning, Advanced Networking Applications using Python. Our next group is Security and Forensics, and the courses are Introduction to Cybersecurity, Network Security, Ethical Hacking and Penetration Testing, and Computer Forensic. Apart from all these, we have courses based on engineering design and drawing, such as AutoCAD with AutoLisp and computer-aided structural analysis and design. Well, that was a brief outline of what CAT Center dreams to achieve. And with that, I seek all of your participation in your own ways to be a part of the CAT Center's academic community. We are also happy to announce that CAT Center is opening up its online admission from 26th of June 2020 through our website. I would now request Dr. Aditi Sarkar, our Geoinformatics faculty, to conclude this event. Aditi, please.
Thank you so much, Dipanita, for the immensely insightful demonstration. Once again, kudos to CAT Center Jadavpur University for proving its courage and always being a step ahead, ensuring bright future to the knowledge seekers. We will now begin a Q&A session for about 10 minutes. If you have any question, please put them down in the Q&A icon.
There is no question till now, so let us conclude.
Okay, so if you have any further admission related inquiries or course related inquiries, I request all of you to visit our website www.catcenterju.org. CAT Center is also now available on Messenger and WhatsApp. A kind reminder, CAT Center is opening up its online admission from 26th June 2020. With that, I conclude today's event. And on behalf of CAT Center, I thank all of you for your gracious and patient participation today. Thank you very much.
3 questions are there. Should we take this?
We have time, we can take them.
So first question.
Classes will be held through this app or Google Meet app, sir.
Actually, see, we have a bunch of apps. Since in some of the apps we have some facilities, and in some of the apps we don't have those facilities. So we have the Zoom, we have the TeamLink, we have the Google Meet, and also we have this Zoho app. Actually, you know, if the team is very large, then this particular app is rather better. If the team is small, in that case, we may go for the Google Meet. So we have 4 different apps. We have subscribed for 4 different apps, and based on the size of the team, we shall decide.
Okay, so the next question somebody is asking about the hours mentioned in the bracket. The hours that we have mentioned, 36 hours.
Yes, that is actually the total duration of the course. We have designed very short time courses. That is why we have mentioned the total duration of the course in hours.
Okay, then there is a question about the study material for online courses.
Actually, the study material will be given in a soft copy format, and for the demonstration and all, you will get the video that can be viewed from our cloud. And we hope that there will be no problem, since you will have the access of the video. You will be able to run this video again and again, and assignment kind of thing, I mean, the general assignment kind of thing is not required. Our theoretical study material will be given in PDF file format.
Somebody is asking about the fee structure, regarding the fee structure.
Actually, our fee structure is under design. I mean, the fee structure has been finalized, but you can't get this information in our website, since our website is being developed, and it is it will be relaunched in next 3-4 days. However, we have a post in our Facebook page, and we have linked a spreadsheet. In this spreadsheet, you can get all of this duration. I mean, the date of commencement, timing, on which days the courses will be conducted, what is the course fees, and what is the course duration.
Okay, sir, I think we have tried to answer most of them. If you have any further doubts, please get in touch with us. So, sir, can we conclude the session?
Sure.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks all of you for participating today. Thank you.